अस्सलामुअलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाह। कैसे हैं दोस्तों? उम्मीद है आप लोगों को मेरी नई वीडियो का इंतज़ार होगा बड़ी बेतरतीबी से। तो आज 2 दिन बाद मैं आपको एक नई वीडियो दोबारा लाया हूँ कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ वायरसेस से। So we will start that what is a virus. So viruses are the infectious agents that affect living and non-living organism. The living characters are they reproduce and they live in the host cell and they can mutate. While non-living characteristics are they have no cytoplasm, no cellular organelles, they carry out no metabolism. If we talk about virus structure, 20 to 500 nanometer in size, bacteria vary from 200 to 2000 nanometer, while the human cells are 5000 to 1 lakh nanometers. And if we talk about the viral structure, viruses consist of 2 main parts: DNA, RNA, that are known as nucleic acids. Capsid is the protein coat that is covered by the virus, and some viruses have envelope that is made up of proteins and lipids. If we talk about virus shape, there are rod-shaped bacteria or viruses, spherical shaped and tadpole shaped. As we have seen, there are 8 types of viruses shapes are here. So if we talk about further the characteristics of viruses, are they able to reproduce within the host cell, they able to invade the host cell, cause many infectious diseases in plants, animals, and also are able to mutate. They can change the gene sequence of the DNA. And if we talk about non-living characteristics, they have no metabolic rate, does not eat, breathe, sleep, produce, not made up of cells, able to crystallize. These all are the non-living characteristics of the viruses. So we are, if going to talk about the history, the first virus was been found in the tobacco mosaic virus in 1935, and these are made up of nucleic acids and proteins. And that scientist was Wendell Stanley that tell us about tobacco mosaic virus. And the Edward Jenner in 1796 developed smallpox vaccine using milder cowpox viruses. In the world today, smallpox has now cured. So these are some diseases caused by the viruses, and we talk about characteristics. Some viruses enclose protective envelope. Some viruses may have spikes, such like coronavirus in the 2020 era. Most viruses infect specific host cells. You can see the shape of the virus in the capsid, DNA, spikes, and the envelope. And we talk about diseases. It caused the Ebola virus, HIV virus. The viruses look different and variety of shapes. Some may be helical, polyhedral, and complex shape, like bacteriophages. And influenza virus is polyhedral shape, and Ebola virus is polyhedral, helical shape. And if we talk about what identification used, DNA and viruses are analyzed, their capsid shape and which host they affect. Through these, these strategies and methods that are being identified. So these vaccines are the cure for viruses. Vaccine weakens the virus, and vector control is to stay in home when sick, cover our mouth when cough, and control mosquito population in order to control from viruses. This is called vector control. The carriers of the virus